Welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video we've got these beautiful lights that has been sent from OLIGHT, which I'll put the link in so you guys can grab one each as well. This is the ArkPro and the ArkPro Ultra, and I'm going to see how useful they are actually when it comes to working on cars. So I mean, any mechanics out there will fully understand what it's like to work on engines, especially when trying to read specific injector codes or trying to get to a certain point on the vehicle or trying to point something to the customer so they know, for example, an oil leak or a sensor or something you just want to point out really. So guys, this is the lights outside the box. This is the ArkPro and this is the ArkPro Ultra. Now the beautiful thing is, you might think, oh, it's a small one. Yes, it's very handy, small, beautiful, and the good thing is it's quite, I'm not going to say it's too weighty to annoy you in that sense, but you feel like it's quality just because it's got a bit of weight to it, which I like. And the good thing is they are both magnetic. So in our workshop, right, what we need is something like this, or where we need to just put it onto somewhere on the car and work on certain things, if you know what I mean. Any car mechanics out there will understand my pain, especially when working on cars. Beautiful thing is, the ArkPro here is about 1500 lumens, the ArkPro Ultra is 1700 lumens, and they have a wide, so that'll cover more wide area, and they both have UV, which I'm going to get to the test now. So in my hand is the ArkPro. As we can see, it's quite amazing, to be fair, guys. And if you wanted to narrow it down, this is the UV, sorry, my bad. And the other way just narrows it down to a more finer area. But from here, I can see quite a distance and the UV. And what's amazing, you've got a bit of laser to it as well. So if we just turn the little dot, and I don't know if you can see the laser, so we can point out anything we fancy for our customers, and you can do anything and point the laser as well. So this one here is the ArkPro Ultra, which has a wider angle, guys. Again, the UV there. And you've got the more finer, and you've got the laser as well. I don't know if you can see the laser. There you are. So this is the UV on, guys. As you can see, it highlights certain things for us in this game. Irrelevant of the UV, to be fair, even, I don't know, I'm not saying oil leak, but you know, it's quite handy. And this is the torch. Honest, it's perfect for any mechanics out there, because we could just pop it on there you are, and it's done its job right there. We can work on certain cars. What's beautiful about this, it's not too big where it's going to get in the way. And most importantly, if we were just to narrow things down a bit here, and if we were to use the laser, we can point out things to our customers and say, look, you've got injector 1. Obviously, I'm just doing this here, but some people don't get it, and then we have to just narrow it down and say, look, certain pipe. It's good. Some people probably think, why do I need a laser? But reality is, some customers out there just need that extra bit of detail, if you ask me. But yeah, we can see, and if you can turn the light off, for example, like this, your laser should work irrelevant. Another amazing thing, guys, if you're going to play hide and seek, make sure you're not wearing something like that. Is that right? I love this UV, I'm not going to lie. It just literally like highlights every bit of detail. I mean, I'm going around this car and any bits like that just literally shines out. So they're like muck on the car, which just points it out. For example, this, look. I mean, you can't see obviously, but when that shines on it, we can see. Just amazing. And obviously, if we were to have the torch on, look, you can't see anything on there. That's how incredible this UV is. Back to normal. So you go around it, you can see the the bits on the car that shouldn't be there. And it's amazing as well. For example, color tone as well. You can tell the difference if it's ever been, I'm not saying it's going to be 100%, but you kind of see the difference between them. See, that's polish mark. Whereas if I put the light on, you can't see it. So this is really important for anyone, even buying and selling cars. I'll be honest, it really highlights things to a degree. Beautiful is the magnetic touch, and once it's fully charged, it'll be green again. I'm quite intrigued onto how far. We're about 10 centimeters away now. Here, now about 8, I'd say 7, and that's about 5. I can feel a little twitch. Boom. Around 5 centimeters, even, oh god, it's strong. That's what I love about that magnet, to be fair. That's the charging point. And you have a Type-C charging point as well on the side here, as we shown you earlier. There you are. We've got all the lights on here. I just want you all to see, okay? Look at the difference. So that's quite bright out here. But as soon as you got this on, you'll see how bright it is. Look at that. No matter how much lighting you have, I'm not gonna compare this to the sun, but even with the lights on, you can see how bright it is. And if we were looking down there, you're looking at a belt. Let's say you wanted to change that pulley and you wanted to point it out. There's your laser. Look at that. There's your laser. I'm trying to focus things here, to be fair, guys. I'm sorry. But there you are. And that's the laser there. You see, this is why it's good to have this sort of torch. And you can see if you have oily, you can just point it out rather than putting your finger onto it and proving to the customer. Also, so this is full whack. Hold on to it, dims it down a bit. Hold on to it. You've got the full whack. You've got different modes. And then if you also for the UV, you've got different modes. High, low, low, high. And then for this one, that's even less, that's more. You can see it plays as well. There you are. That's what I like about this. It's amazing as well. I call this SOS. Boom. Oh my god, that is blinding. I don't know what it's flashing like 1,000,000 miles an hour. And this is the other one as well, guys. Oh my god, it's blinding me. We're out. I know it's a bit cloudy, but I want people to see. If we were just to turn it on, okay, you could just about see things. And if we were to turn it into, oh, that's the UV. Okay, so if you look at this, you can see it's still shining bright, guys. It still has power. I know, look at that, the walls, you can still see it. And my point here is, I know I was inside and like you were thinking, well, that's inside. No, even on the outside with this sort of atmosphere. So the question is, which one would I buy? So this is $99.99 and this is $129.99. They're both very great and they're capable of anything. I would personally buy this Ultra just because it's like more finer, it's constructed a little bit more better in that sense. They're both good, but I'm just saying. And long story short, it has a better lumen, so that's the reason I would go for this one, guys. The reality is, if you ask me, if you're just a DIYer and just working on your car really, and you don't, you're not going crazy, then yeah, the ArkPro is what I would recommend. But if you're if you're a mechanic and you use it daily and you're a technician, then I would highly recommend this one, guys, just because it just goes above and beyond the normal standard procedure. Overall, guys, honestly, you don't understand how useful these lights can be. Once you get these and you've used it, you'll understand. You'll be questioning yourself, how on earth have I been living without them lights? Or how on earth have I been living without a light for ages? Because it's just so useful. And the beautiful thing is the magnet at the bottom, which just nails everything. Thanks to OLIGHT, they have given me a voucher, £5 voucher that you can have off this. I'll put it in the description as well so you guys can grab one. The offer, I'm not sure how long it is for, but while you can grab one, and I'd love to hear your feedback. And not only that, guys, Another thing you can use it for is for camping as well. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite good because you can point out things to your kids with it, just like this, and say there's a rabbit there, there's a lion there. That's if we do have any lions. but reality is, I'm in the mechanic world, and these are used for mechanics. But if you want to use it in the other worlds, like we said, camping or other things you do in the real world, then yeah, you can use them, guys.